let's go back and look at some past hyped products or eyeshadow palettes we bought a long time ago. Hi guys, my name's Amanda and I'm kind of new here. Time to start a new series on this channel called Flashback Friday. Basically, I've been looking at all the new releases and gone, I have stuff kind of like that. And so, we're going to start using the stuff that's kind of like what's coming out again. So, here is the Tarteist Pro, and we're going to use it today for this eye look. Okay, I've already used it. Now I'm filming this part. But hey, yeah. So what are some palettes that you have that you haven't given some love to in a while? So, if you guys like what you see here, don't forget to like. You see that little thumbs up thingy? Click that. If you want to subscribe, it's free, so you might as well. Hit that thingy. You know, the red thing. Down below. And while you're down there, hit the bell. You know, that. So, we hope to see you again soon. Okay, so you liked, you subscribed, you hit the bell thingy. What else is there more to say other than we'll see you next time?